So my grandparents have an interesting relationship with their phones. Yes, they do enjoy having them so they can text all their grandkids, but at the same time, their phones get demolished. So today we are taking a look at the most funny but awful times that their phones are broken and what we're gonna do to fix them. Coming up. So let's start off with a scenario that happened a while ago. So my grandpa has a case on his phone, it's a beefier case, and one day he decided that his phone was a little too dirty. He decided to get soap and water and wash the phone. This is an iPhone 6s, both of these are, and he decided to wash it. You know, just casually, just washing my phone, my non-waterproof phone with dish soap and water. And of course, it doesn't work. So, we're gonna be fixing that. And this one happened like a week ago now. My grandma put her phone on her car, like up top, and she was driving off about a mile down the road. She wanted to know where her phone was at. She left it on the top of her car. But this happened with her phone. Demolished. So apparently, here's what I know. She was driving down the road, this was on top of her car, she hit a bump or something, it fell off on the ground. And I guess it's been driven over a few times by different cars, probably including hers. Yeah, this phone is destroyed. So as you can see, her phone right there, I mean, it's just not living the life. I mean, you see that? Now that is a whole lot of damage. So, first of all, this phone. As soon as you give battery to it, hang on. As soon as you give battery to the phone, after a while and it charges, it turns on. Actually, it goes to the Apple logo, and then it gets stuck in an infinite boot loop, which stinks. So this phone partially works, it boots to the Apple logo, nowhere further than that, so, I mean, it's got water damage obviously inside and we need to fix that. And that's pretty much it. As long as you can fix the water damage, we should be good for that one. Now this one's a whole other story. I'm gonna see what doesn't work in this phone, the one that's water damaged, and I'm going to take the parts out of this one and put into there that are still working in this one and that are broken in there. So hopefully there's some parts that we can salvage from both of the phones. I still can't believe it got driven over. I mean, this thing is bent. So yeah, that's my overall plan for this new series on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Beam. I'll catch you guys in the next episode of the series where we will start to fix these phones. I have some cool ideas in terms of like overhead cameras and all that stuff that no one cares about, but I do. So let's get into that. Peace.